I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was two and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business.
Hello, love. As you can tell by the title and intro, we are doing mini twists. So this is how we're starting out with freshly washed hair, and we're gonna part it into 4 sections. This is the hair. It's the kinky bulk hair. The color is T230, 22 inches. So at the top, the color is number 2, and as you go down to the bottom, it's an ombre effect, and the color is 30. So just starting out, I parted my hair into 4 sections, and we're going to start with the first section. And to get those sharp parts, I like to use edge control in my parts, but this is what the ombre looks like on the hair. So it's springtime, baby. If you want to play around with some color, let's start this install. So I'm going to take 2 strands and I'm going to piece them together to make like a rainbow shape at the top. And then you just want to braid the hair down about a ½ an inch to an inch. And you're just using like the method as if you are doing box braids. But after you get a ½ inch down, you want to break your natural hair into 2 strands and have 1 piece of your hair with each one of the each piece of the fake hair. I hope I'm making sense. And then you just want to twist down and add product as you are twisting down. I will show you a little later what I'm using. I'm actually using the 𝐂𝐃𝐃𝐄 gel. And as I was doing this style, you guys, I was learning as I went along. Depending on how big you want your twist would depend on your blocks. So I didn't want mine too small and I didn't want them too big. So this is the size that I went for, and I absolutely love them, y'all. They did not take me as long as I thought they were going to take me. It took me about, I would say, 7 hours. And that's with me stopping. So that's not a full 7 hours, but I did stop quite a bit throughout, but they were really easy to install. So as you can see right here, I'm going to do this twist and I'm like, this ain't it. I had to take it out a little bit and start back after I did the braids. And what I'm going to do is twist my hair with each piece, each strand of the kinky bulk hair. And that's just going to help my hair kind of like blend in as I twist down. So when you get to the top part after doing the braid, like a ½ inch down, you want to twist your hair in with the kinky bulk hair. So I'm just going to keep installing this hair, and this style will last you a good amount of time. Like I've had it in for a good week and a half now and it's still looking good. So if you don't know how to do box braids, you can use like the rubber band method. At the top, just do rubber bands all over and then crochet the hair in and twist it down. That's if you don't know how to do box braids, but of course, doing the box braid method at the top will make the braids last longer. So I'm just going to continue to install the hair. If you're interested in this hair, they do have a variety of different colors, girl. I will have it linked down below. But this is the product that I'm using right here, and it's the 𝐂𝐃𝐃𝐄 gel. As I was doing my hair, y'all, like I said, I was learning as I was going, and I realized that I did not need to use this gel. I needed a thicker consistency, like a jam, not even a jam, like a grease. So I don't recommend that you use that gel. And then I started to use the edge control, and I feel like the edge control did a little bit better than the gel. But with the back, I thought these parts were straight, baby. But as I am looking at this video, I'm like, baby, these parts are crooked as I don't know what. And your girl was using a mirror. However, you're going to see in the end that it's okay. So if you are nervous about, oh my gosh, the parts might not come out straight, all of this, it's okay because it's going to look fine once you do everything, okay? Trust me. You're going to see the end result and it's going to look fine. You're not even going to be looking at those parts. So I'm just taking section by section, row by row, section by section, and just filling up each section with braids. So I'm not doing any particular, order. I'm just going down and sizing out the block that I feel like will be best for the twist. And I'm just going to continue to install these twists and let you watch. This is something else that I learned while I was doing it. I was like, let me break this hair apart, because putting these two pieces of hair together, I needed to make sure the hair was blending. So I was just taking product and just running it through the hair to make it look like it was just like one piece, and it helped everything blend as I was twisting the hair down. Just a quick recap, what you're going to do is just start the braid out like you're going to do box braids, and after you get like a ½ inch down, an inch down, you're going to break it into two and just 2 strand twist the rest of the way down, adding product as you go down just to make sure your hair is blended in, and boom, this is the final look, y'all. Your girl did that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Absolutely love this kinky bulk hair. It came out so pretty. I believe the next time I do them, I am going to do them a little smaller, but I ain't mad at it. I am not mad at it. Your girl did her thing. I cannot believe I did these. They look so good. And with this one style, you can definitely achieve different styles. You can put it up in a ponytail, half up, half down, do some buns, do like a little updo. It's so much you can do with this one style, and it's a great protective style. If you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful, of course give me a big old thumbs up. Again, I will have everything linked down below for you. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and of course make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you will not miss my next upload. But this style right here, y'all, it was super cute with the high bun and the 2 pieces hanging in front. At first I thought that was cute. I was like, After looking back at it, I was like, let me twist that around, and baby, it came out so cute. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.